Hey YouTube, I wanted to get on here and do a quick video. It's going to be on how I clean my makeup brushes. I actually purchased this little brush cleaner at, I'm not sure if it was Target or Walmart, I'm not sure. Backstory, I never used to clean my brushes. I would just toss them and buy new ones. Now that I have 4 little ones, it's so hard to keep buying brushes, and I didn't think to just buy a cleanser or something and clean them. So I actually picked up this cleaner. It's just a basic, it's no brand name, it's just like the store brand name, I guess it is, the off-brand. It's a solid brush cleaner with charcoal and aloe vera, and I think I purchased this for like $4 or something. And it actually comes with the little brush, I guess the little scrubber that you rub your brush on, and then the charcoal soap inside. And I'm going to be showing y'all how I do this, but I just was kind of wanting to show y'all what actually came in here. I normally take this out, but I figured since I'm going to be cleaning them, I'm just going to lather some water on here and then just clean them. But let's go to the sink and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so these are the brushes I'm actually going to be cleaning. I have different brands. I'm not sure the brands of them, but I have purchased these in the past and I've had them for a very long time. And also I'm going to be washing 3 of my blending sponges. So first what I'm going to do is grab like a towel or something to put them on afterwards. Okay, so now the first thing that I'm gonna do is get my water going, and I like to do it like a warm or like a cool, like a warm cool, not hot and not cold. And once I get that going, I'm going to go ahead and grab the charcoal soap. And then this, and what I do, excuse me, I'm going to grab my first brush, put that to the side. I'm going to run some water in this, and kind of like get a little bit of soap on there. Off the side. And then just start running the water. Get a little bit more soap. Get all that makeup coming off. Then you just kind of want to scrub it. Just let the soap get deep in there. And I know they have bigger wash pads or brush cleanser, but I like this one because it's small and it's simple. I don't have to store it anywhere. A little bit more. I've noticed that a lot of the concealer or the foundation gets all the way towards the bottom, so you want to make sure you are scrubbing that really well. And I'm just going to put it on a towel, let it dry, and then move on to the next one. And some brushes, like this one, is just kind of like a blush brush. So you probably, for me, I don't really need to clean it because I barely put any blush on it to begin with. But still want to give it a couple of goes with the soap. And I like my brushes because you can tell when they are makeup free because you can see the white, and then this one obviously has makeup on it. So I'm going to put that one to the side and move on to the next one. And it's an easy process, you just have to do it. And I don't know if you've been watching, but I'll squeeze it and then squeeze it again just to make sure you get all the excess water out of it. Put that to the side and then move on to the next one. So with the sponges, you basically do the same thing. You just rub it in the soap, and then you brush it across the little scrubber, and it does the exact same thing. It takes off all the makeup, which I love. So just put a little soap in there all around. Look at that. Look at it coming out. It's amazing. Just go around and get all the edges. Okay, so that's how I clean my makeup brushes. I just wanted to get on here and share that with you guys. If you have any tips, please comment down below, let me know. Also, if you do know of any like brush sets that you really love or enjoy, can you comment them down below and, you know, just send me a few so I can check them out, because I do want to have a nice matching set for my makeup set. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.